Hello everyone. So the first thing you do is open up your Instagram app. The next thing you do is tap on your profile icon at the bottom, which is at the bottom here. Tap on it. Then the next thing, after tapping on that, is to tap on the three lines at the top right corner. So to open up this option, then you scroll down all the way down to the space. Then you tap on comments. So tapping on comments, so you want to tap on under this place, then you tap on the first option to block comment for a particular person, or you want to block for a lot of people. You can simply tap on stories to block comments on stories. So right now it is set to everyone, so if I want to turn it off totally, I simply tap on off. So if I go back now, I can also decide to turn off GIF comments also. The last option over here, I can decide to turn off GIF comments. Right now it is on, so I just turn it off. It's as simple as that.